my crafty friends. How is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm here with a Globleland unboxing. So I've been demonstrating for Globleland for a while now. It's, as you see, it's spelled in my title or in my thumbnail, globleland.com. And I will have a coupon code for you in my description box, Sheree10 for 10% off your 10% off your entire order. So yes, I ordered a few things, and I have my computer here. I'm going to click on each thing and tell you the price also as I'm going along. And what Global does when you pick out your products, and if you're a demonstrator, they send you links for all the products, so that's nice. I don't have to create my own links, but so the first one, let me just tell you, it came in this nice bubble, like double packed bubble envelope. It's a bubble envelope, and then here's the bubble wrap that was around everything. So nicely packed. I've always been happy with everything I've gotten from Globleland as far as it's always been what I expected, and the quality has been perfect. You know, very, very good quality. So if you saw my BB Craft unboxing, I ordered something for my granddaughter because she's at the age now where she's starting to do a little crafting. She's 3.5. I only have one granddaughter so far, but yeah, she's starting to do some crafting. So I saw this, and I'm going to click on it here. That's the first link in my links that Globleland sent me, and this is called. All right, I'm getting a little pop-up here. If I can make that go away. This is called Globleland 48 Sheets, 8 Styles, and this is Halloween. And I thought she would have a lot of fun with this. It's something simple, but, you know, at 3.5, you know, I think that they pretty much, they know their eyes and their nose and their mouth and things like that, you know, ears and all that kind of stuff. They maybe play with Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head and all that. And she watches what's it called? Simple Stories, Simple Songs, whatever it is. And they have different seasonal, besides all the regular, you know, fun kid songs, they have seasonal little song videos too. And she's been into like a lot into the Halloween one and into the Christmas one as well. As she loves them all. But anyway, this was a Halloween one. When I ordered this, she was like all about Halloween. Like she was even going around saying Happy Halloween and all this stuff. So I was like, wow, she's really into Halloween right now. And it's May. So I ordered this little set here. There's a lot here, as you can see, like tons. And this is just, you know, the Halloween. There's a Christmas, and there's probably other, you know, non-seasonal packs too, because it was, you know, I think I was almost going to order one or two others. And I thought, well, let me order the Halloween one because she's like all about Happy Halloween right now. So what you do is take one of these little sheets and you make the little monster. I guess you could put it on something else. Monster, whatever the subject person is. Like this was a little mummy, and there's a hat and eyes. That looks like, well, there's a mouth. There's a little something here, a little ghost. And these look like, see, eyes. This is a mouth, this is a hat. I'm not sure what these are, but anyway, maybe she can figure that out. But aren't they cute? So there's what, this would also be great for a class, like a teacher, to get these. Look how many of each of the mummy. Okay, so yeah, it said in the title here, 8. Let me see if I can go down and tell you the price. It got bigger all of a sudden. Let me see if I can roll here and make it smaller. Yeah, that's big. Okay, there we go. Nope. Every time I let go of it, it makes it bigger. I don't know why. I need small so I can see the price here. Let me go, let me close it. Click on the link again. And there we go, $7. Okay, like it's normal when I opened it, and then it goes all crazy when I let go of it. Okay, so anyway, 48 sheets, eight of each style, and so yeah, it'd be great for a teacher too, probably, to divide this among their students, but for a little fun activity, creative activity. But there's a mummy, a witch, cute. These might be good for trick-or-treat type things too. If you make up a little goodie bag, put one of these in the goodie bag. Or for your journals, if you want to put one in a journal pocket, and whoever gets it can either do it themselves and decorate a page, or they can give it to the kid in their life, whether it be their own child or a niece or nephew or a grandchild or whatever. Anyway, there's the witch. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing one. I want to do this with my granddaughter. I can't wait to do one myself. I don't know if these peel off. I wonder, are they, let me see, self-adhesive. Yeah, I kind of want to see if they're like, let me see. Let me do something I can figure out here. So this is a, oh, she's, let me do another one. I don't want to do this one. Let me do one I understand. I mean, I know those are, I guess those are eyes, and maybe have options on the eyes, and then there's a bat, and there's, I guess you could, there's a piece of candy, or you can put something in her hands, a piece of candy and a lollipop. Okay, let's do the lollipop real quick. I want to see if it's removable, or, I mean, you can do it on something else, or you could probably do it right on here. I want to see what kind of sticker it is. I mean, I'm going to let her do it, and I'll show you what she does with it. But as far as an adult goes, it feels like a regular sticker. It doesn't feel like a one you want to peel off. Of course, on here it might peel off, but I kind of want to see. Does it peel back off? And here, well, see, I just ripped it, so I'm going to have to leave that. But I guess it would be you put it on something else and then do it. So anyway, that's that one, the skeleton girl. And then you have these. I guess these could be used on something else. Got a witch hat, cute mushroom, a little Halloweeny mushroom. These would be great to decorate a journal with. Some little eyes there. You could decorate some Tim Holtz girls with these. I mean, paper dolls with these. Wouldn't that be fun? Can you picture? And then you could color the, you know, I've colored the Tim Holtz paper dolls with some Sharpie markers, so you can do that. And they look cute. Kind of a muted color because they're black and gray, but then you're adding color. So here's a ghost you can make. Monster, you know, what, Frankenstein or whatever. Cute. And pumpkins. Pumpkin things. Eyes and nose and mouth. I guess you could decorate this one and put it over the eyes and nose and mouth that's already here. And then the last one is vampire. So cute, right? I think she'll have fun with those, and there's a ton there. So yeah, I would like to get some more of these, and I told you the price was what, $7 is what it said, I think. So let's go on to the next thing. And my next link, let's see what this is all about. This ribbon. Let me close that. Or let's see what the next link is. I can't tell from the link until I open it what it is. Okay, so they call the Rick Rack Wave ribbon. So I think Rick Rack is a brand name, so they can't say, well, they do have Rick Rack in here. Rick Rack Trim Ribbon Wave Sewing Bending Fringe Trim. $2.59. Okay, so that's this right here. And I got these two colors. I got this yellow and this pretty blue. Two colors that I don't think I mean, I have a lot of vintage Rick Rack from the thrift store, but I wanted to order colors that I don't think that I really have. Like this is this kind of an ice blue, if you can see that, a pretty light blue. And I don't really think I have that exact color in Rick Rack. And then this yellow. So I have ordered Rick Rack from companies before they demonstrate for, and I know I have an orange one. And they come on this spool, and there's a lot on here. This is a plastic spool, nice and sturdy, and the Rick Rack goes. Let me take the ribbon. I kind of want to see this one. I love this blue color here. I love both these colors because I also picked colors I thought I would use a lot also, kind of like these are almost generic colors for me that I can use a lot. So that's another reason I chose these. But see, there is a, yeah, it goes all the way back. So if you can see how wide that is, this rickrack goes all the way back there to this center. So that is how much is wrapped around here. A lot. If it can, let me see if it tells. 27 yards. 27 yards for $2.59. You know, you can't beat that. I mean, excellent prices. Okay, so that's the yellow and the light blue beautiful rickrack that I got. And the last thing that I got, let's see, ribbon. Let's see if this is the ribbon. Glitter metallic ribbon. Now, you know I like to make tassels, and you can use this ribbon in so many things. I do like to get like thinner ribbons like this if I can sometimes, because great for, you know, tassels, but also my little paper clips that I make. And, you know, it's nice to have a little thin ribbon to put through a tag and things like that. So, and then the orange, I probably got orange because I don't have a lot of orange, and you know, the opportunity was there, and it's a pretty, you know, it's calls it glitter, but it's not really, it's just kind of, you see, it's just a pretty color. It's not really even, I guess it's a little sparkly, isn't it? If you hold it in the light right, yeah, it's a little sparkly, but it's not overly sparkly or glittery. Yeah, it's a little sparkly if you hold it, if the light's shining on it. I see that. But again, a lot here. Let me see if I can tell you how much is here. So you see the spool, and it goes way back to the edge. I don't think I realized how much was going to be on here. I have to keep re-clicking on the link because it kind of, 619, 33 yards. So yeah, that's enough. That ribbon's going to last me for a very, 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 very long time, like basically forever. So I'll be using this in all kinds of things, but I do use a lot of ribbon, so I like to put a tassel on every journal. And, you know, sometimes I'll make a tassel and throw it in my shop, or just make some, you know, sometimes I'll make some extra ones and have them hanging here. So when I need a, you know, different colors, and I have them hanging here. So when I make a journal, I have a couple ready, you know, and if I can use one I already have ready, all the better. So yeah, just the 4 things I got this time. So I will be doing 2 more videos where I use these, and I'll show you how I'm going to use these. And I want to let my granddaughter do, you know, one of these, and I'll show you how she does at 3.5, so you can know. Let's see, does that have an age on it? Let me go back to that link real quick. See if it says 3+ or anything like that. No, I don't see an age right off. It just says kids, and specifically, oh, there's one right next to it with trucks on it. Yeah, that one was cool too. It's little cars and trucks, and you put on the wheels and like decals and stuff. So it's not just, you know, I mean, this could be for a boy or a girl. And the trucks, I thought I was going to order that for her too, because I thought, well, thought she would really enjoy putting the wheels on and the little pieces on the car. So and then there's a Christmas one I'm looking at here. So those 3 popped up, but I searched kids crafts and crafts for kids and children's crafts and things like that to get things to pop up that I could, something I could order for her, and this was my favorite thing that popped up this time. So from Globleland, so I got that for her and I to do together. So anyway, I'm sure I'll send some home with her too, since there's so many here. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my choices today, and stay tuned for, you know, what I'm going to do with these goodies, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.